That's really cool.
Just about everything's scratch built except for the engines.
That makes it intensely fun. You scratch up the people too?
They were little castings, so they're all hand painted
Okay.
and detailed.
Yeah, there's a lot of detail in here.
Yeah, the two gals that did most of the detailing were incredible. I haven't met them, unfortunately. They moved away from the area.
Oh, that's no fun. Sorry, you get to enjoy their work. There, that guy's got my idea for right now. I'm ready for a nap.
Yeah.
Reminiscent of old John Allen stuff.
This, all of this stuff is based on these Thomas York sketches out of